The next enemy we want to set up the animator for is our orc. So we're going to click our orc, and it should switch here. But again, you can always double click the orc wolf AC on his animator to get to it that way as well. And here what we want to do is similar to what we did with our player. We want to transition from idle to walking. So what we can do is right click our idle and bring the arrow down to walk and click. And then in the opposite direction, right click our walk and go back up to idle. Now what's important here is we need to set up our parameters for our transition. So we've already got our walk and attack parameters there for you, but what you'll need to do is click on our transition line and go over to our conditions field, hit the plus button, and walk should pop up. If it doesn't, you can always from the drop down select walk. And because we're going from idle to walk, we want that to be true because we want to walk when we're walking. And then for the other arrow, the one going from walk to idle, we're going to do the same thing, hit the plus button and select walk, but this time we want false. That's because when we're done walking, we want the orc to naturally transition back to being idle.